Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck and feeling like you'll never achieve financial freedom? Look no further, because the answers you seek can be found in the pages of Rich Dad Poor Dad. This classic personal finance book by Robert Kiyosaki offers a fresh and empowering perspective on money, wealth, and success. By sharing his own experiences growing up with two dads, one who was financially struggling and one who was a successful entrepreneur and investor, Kiyosaki will challenge your traditional beliefs about money and inspire you to take control of your finances and create a better future for yourself. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial freedom? Rich Dad Poor Dad is a seminal personal finance book written by Robert Kiyosaki and published in 1997. The book has become a classic in the genre and has inspired millions of people around the world to take control of their finances and achieve financial freedom. The book is based on Kiyosaki's own experiences growing up with two dads, his biological father, who was financially struggling, and his best friend's father, who was a successful entrepreneur and investor. Through his interactions with these two men, Kiyosaki was able to see the stark differences in their financial education and mindset, and how it affected their financial success. One of the key messages of the book is that traditional education and financial advice often leads people to work hard for money and avoid risk, but in order to build wealth, one must learn to work smart, invest in assets that generate passive income, and have a growth mindset. Kiyosaki stresses the importance of financial literacy and provides readers with a framework for understanding key financial concepts and strategies, such as the difference between assets and liabilities, the power of passive income, and the importance of having a financial plan that aligns with one's goals and values. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki uses real-life examples and anecdotes to illustrate the concepts he discusses. He explains how to overcome common financial obstacles, such as debt and lack of money, and how to develop a mindset that supports financial success. He also debunks common myths about money and provides a fresh perspective on traditional financial wisdom. One of the key concepts that Kiyosaki discusses in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket, while a liability takes money out of your pocket. Kiyosaki argues that most people are taught to focus on liabilities, such as a house or a car, but that in order to build wealth, one must focus on acquiring assets. He provides practical examples of assets, such as rental properties, stocks, and mutual funds, and explains how these assets can generate passive income that can be reinvested to create even more wealth. Another important concept that Kiyosaki discusses in the book is the power of passive income. Passive income is money that is earned without actively working for it, such as rent from a rental property or dividends from stocks. Kiyosaki argues that passive income is the key to financial freedom, as it allows one to live off their investments instead of relying on a job for their income. He explains how to identify and acquire assets that generate passive income and how to reinvest that income to create even more wealth. In addition to these key concepts, Kiyosaki also provides practical advice on how to overcome common financial obstacles, such as debt and lack of money. He explains how to develop a budget, pay off debt, and start investing in assets that generate passive income. He also provides guidance on how to develop a financial plan that aligns with one's goals and values, and how to choose investments that are in line with one's financial plan. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a highly engaging and practical guide that provides readers with the tools and knowledge they need to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. The book challenges traditional beliefs about money and inspires readers to take control of their finances, develop a growth mindset, and create a better future for themselves and their families. Whether you are just starting out on your financial journey or are looking to improve your financial literacy and knowledge, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a must-read book that will provide you with valuable insights and guidance. The book has received widespread recognition and praise for its simplicity, practicality, and inspiration. Millions of people around. In conclusion, Rich Dad Poor Dad is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and knowledge. The book offers a simple yet powerful approach to building wealth and achieving financial freedom, and provides practical advice and real-life examples to help readers put its teachings into action. By challenging traditional beliefs about money and providing a new perspective on financial success, Rich Dad Poor Dad will inspire you to take control of your finances, develop a growth mindset, and create a better future for yourself and your loved ones.